Are you looking for an affordable business that you can start up right now? I got you covered, guy. Because in today's video, I am going to be showing you 12 affordable businesses that you can start up right now and it's going to be making you money. These businesses are very, very lucrative and it's also very, very profitable. You don't need heavy money or heavy startups to start this business. They have low minimal startup costs to start this business. You understand? You can at least save us some money and you'll be able to start this business. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button, and let's dive into this video. Number one business that you can start up right now and that is very, very affordable and that can make you quite lots of money is starting a wholesale jewelry business. Wholesale jewelry business right now is a very popular business and is hot in demand. A lot of people don't actually know that you can also ship these products at a very, very low shipping rates. And you can start this business with 50,000 naira or even 100,000 naira. All you need to do is to launch your business and start promoting them. You can promote them offline. You can also promote them online. You can use word of mouth, reach out to people and ask them if you can be, selling to them. And before you know, you start getting, orders. And you can also sell on marketplaces. You can also create your own website as time goes on. Once you start getting consistent sales and leads, you now get your own website. This business is very, very lucrative. You can sell products like wristwatches, bracelets, rings. You understand? And there are different people that even customize their own brands. They customize their own jewelries. So if you know that you are interested in starting this business, you can also go and look for your suppliers. Either you ship from China or you ship from another countries that are, you know, producing all these jewelries. Another business that is very, very affordable to start is to sell mother care and babies products. Mother care and babies products is very, very affordable and is a very lucrative, profitable business because every day we have new mothers, we have new babies, and this has come to stay right from the creator. Right from the day they created you, your journey have already started as a motherhood or someone that gave birth. So you can start selling their bra, you can start selling their breast pumping machine and all that. You can also sell baby products ranging from their clothes, newborn clothes, their overalls, their diapers, and their toys, and also their swings, and their baby and baby carriers. This is making people money. All you need to do is to get ready to start the business, launch your business, promote your business, and let people know that you are selling this business. This business is very, very lucrative and it can take you very, very far away. You understand? So people like buying things, beautiful things for their newborn baby, and you can start this business. The next business that you can start right now that is very, very affordable to start, it doesn't take much of your money. Even if you don't have enough money, you can start is to design and sell prints on demand. Even if you don't know how to design products, even if you don't know how to design, you can also do prints on demand. All you need to do is to get contacts of the suppliers and people that know how to design. If you don't know how to do it, if you can design for yourself, it's still okay. Then you market your products on social media and let people know what you are doing. A lot of people right now are doing print on demand. You can market print hoodies, you can print hats. They use it for rallies, they use it for campaign, even churches, even people that want to do events and also birthday parties. So this particular product or business is very, very good. You can also design some particular logos that people might want to be interested in, and that product might even go far because you are the only one that has that particular logo, and it's going to make you quite lots of money, and it's very, very affordable. You don't even need to have some inventory at first. Just start marketing some designs, and people will start placing order. You understand? So this business is very, very affordable, lucrative, and it can make you money. Even hotels, sometimes they need all these logo, they need all those kind of logos for you to now print it out for them. Go to churches, go to some companies, Go, you understand, and promote your business. Another business that is very, very affordable that you can start that will make you money is to create and monetize your content. Today, millions of people are into content creation. You understand? You can create content and monetize them. If you know that you have a particular subject or you know you have a particular niche that you are good in, content creation, create content and monetize them is a very good one. It's booming right now. You can become an Instagram influencer, you can or a Facebook influencer. You can also draw people, create an engaging content, create a large fan base, do engaging content, and before you know, you monetize it. Also, your blog, you can start a blog and monetize your blog. People make money, owning a blog. You can also start podcasts. You can also create YouTube channel and post content there, even on TikTok, Instagram. People are making money all of these days, you know, doing content creation. The next business that you can start that is very, very affordable and is not going to like weigh you down. You'll not be thinking, what else will I do? Where will I get money? And how can I run this business? Is to start to sell handcrafts and homemade goods and also artworks. These business are very, very lucrative and very, very profitable. A lot of people likes customized products. You are good in doing handcraft. Even some people know how to do candles. Some people know how to, do some certain hand product that is only meant for you. This one, the inventory is not hard because you're the creator. So you can market it on Etsy, you can market it on different marketplaces, and before you know it, you start making money. Market your products. Marketing promotion is one of the way that you can make money. Even if you start a big business, you will still market it because if you don't market that business, your money is going to go away and the business will definitely crumble. So starting small or starting affordable business is also a very good way that you can also test yourself, and it's very, very good. Another affordable business that you can start right now is pet business. You love dogs, pet business, or even other animals. Pet business is a very good affordable business. It doesn't cost much and it's very, very profitable. It's also very, very lucrative for you to start this business. You can go into selling animal food, animal toys, and even animal accessories. So you can see it's very, very lucrative. You can also start a business of walking dogs, you understand, taking care of them. But you need a permit. Just register your business, get a permit and a license, you understand, and use marketing, referral, and also word of mouth to market your business. Before you know it, people will start coming for you and you start making money because this business is very, very lucrative business. Another business that you can start that is very, very affordable to start and doesn't allow you to break the bank is to start a beauty business. Business ranging from beauty products, beauty technology is making people money, ranging from their perfumes, people take care of their faces and all of that, and even their body. Everybody wants to look good. Cosmetics are making people money right now. So you can see, even hair products, they are all beauty products. People are making money selling different types of hair products and is affordable. You can even do drop shipping, selling beauty products. You can also do affiliate marketing. Understand? Selling beauty products. So these products, even if you don't have money to get those inventories, you can do drop shipping for beauty products. You can do affiliate marketing for products. Once you sell, they pay you your commission or your percentage. You can also market a particular product, and once someone needs it, you now send it to them. So even if you don't have money, that much money to, stock up, this business is very, very affordable. You don't really need to have that much money to start all these business. The next business that you can start is to start a online fashion boutique business. Online fashion boutique business, right from the old days until now, even when we fade away, fashion business has come to stay and is making people quite lots of money. People are using online right now to sell their businesses, and fashion product was not exempted. You can get your website, create your website. If you have a particular style that you like dressing, or you have a fashion sense that you like people like to imitate you, you give them those styles. You don't necessarily, you must not be a fashion designer You understand? Before you start selling fashion boutique, because you form a boutique fashion seller. How will I put it? Before you start a boutique business. So, and it's very, very affordable. It doesn't cost that much money to start. You can also do affiliate marketing for online boutique. You can also do drop shipping. So any of these ones that you decide to do is also going to be making you quite lots of money, very lucrative, very affordable to start. The next business that you can start that is very, very affordable to start is selling phone accessories. Right now, everybody is using phone and it's no longer on the basic phone. It's few people that are using basic phone or people that just want to have basic phone as their second choice. All these phones needs accessories. People use charger, people use power bank. I remember one time I just went and bought plenty power banks. I was like, I just share these power banks on my WhatsApp status. It was from my WhatsApp status I started selling these power banks. I just went to repair my phone. I saw Oraimo power banks. I bought them and I started selling them. People need those things. Even tripod stand for their videos and all that. Bluetooth speaker. People are buying them. If you know that you want to start an affordable business and these businesses does not cost much money, you can use 50,000 naira to start them. You can use 100K to start this kind of business that I am telling you. The startup is not that much. All you need to do is to be focused. Know that this is the path that you want to go to. And before you know it, you start making quite lots of money. The next business that you can start right now that is very, very affordable, number 10, is to start a sports apparel. Sports apparel ranging from the JC, tracksuit, people wants to look good, do yoga, exercising and running. And they need all these apparel to look good, whether it's their shoes, running shoes, whether it's from their hair bags and sports bags and all that. All of these are making people money. Whether you want to do wholesale or you want to do retail or you want to any type of business concerning this sports is going to sell. Sports apparel sells right now. People likes to look good, fit, smart, doing sports. So it's a very good, very, very good business to start. Number 11 business that you can start that is very, very affordable and it can also make you money, very, very lucrative, is to create digital content. Digital content does not take you much to start. You can create ebooks, write music, write scripts and all of that and do online training. You understand? Just master what you want to do. Master the arts. And before you know, you start making money. It doesn't take time. These are affordable businesses that doesn't take anything away from you. Just make sure you find your niche and know the kind of product that you want to sell. Know the kind of business that you want to go into and give it time. Give it like 6 months, it's going to start making you money. Consistency is the key. The next and the last but not the least business that you can start right now that is very, very affordable that can make you money is to be a virtual event host or event planner. If you know that you are good in connecting and organizing people, this business is for you. Right now, through the pandemic, you saw what was going on. People were doing lots of gigs and lots of things virtual. So right now, up to now, there are many tools that are helping people to still organize programs virtual, and you know that you can do it. Your job and your responsibility is to organize conferences virtual, and also network people, and also plan educational sections for companies globally. People around the world connect on virtual programs. You understand? There are lots of events to arrange, and people wants to use people that are into this virtual event hosts. And you know that you can do that. It doesn't cost much. All you need to do is to present yourself, market yourself as someone that they can trust, that can make that program go very, very well. There are tools. Even Facebook have tools for virtual, event programs, and you can key into that. Workshops, they do it virtually. Guys, if you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos that you are going to get it. It's a baby girl, a beast lady on the beast. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye, and have a very wonderful weekend, guys. Take care.